Hi, I'm Johnny B and I'd like to show you some basic shading tips today. So that's what today's video is all about. Grab a pencil, grab your pad, come with me, come on, let's go, get drawing. Alright.
Yeah, boy!
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you're dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is.
I'm going to be drawing this paint tube. The light's coming from the right hand side, which is casting a nice shadow. It's quite an interesting shape to draw, but quite easy. As you can see, it's got some dents in it, which is causing some nice shadows. I'm just sketching this out lightly, as I know I'll probably need to rub some of it out and change it to get the shape better. I quite like how this edge comes up like that. Look, it's all crushed up. It's got a nice line to it, so I think I need to change this slightly. This line needs to be a bit straighter. I'm just going to change this slightly and sharpen it a bit more. This is the beauty with pencil, is if you make a mistake, obviously, you can rub it out. I think that's got the shape a little bit better. Right, we'll just drop the shadow in underneath, just here. See how the light's coming from the right hand side? Let me show you. It's coming down this way, which is casting the shadow just underneath here like this. What a lovely shadow you are. Nice and sharp like that, look. Oh, coming down here. Well, I think the sketch is about done, so let's have a look at different shading techniques, shall we? I'd like to show you a few basic techniques that you can use on any drawing really. I'm using a 6B pencil, a 3B and a 2B pencil. The 2B and 3B pencil give a nice tone, and the harder you push down, obviously, the darker it'll be. The 6B pencil is quite a soft pencil, but it's also quite dark at the same time, giving you nice tonal work. So that's a good range of pencils to start with. So this is using a 2B pencil, nice and soft. Work your way along. This is dead simple shading, most people use. And then what I'm going to do is use the 6B over the top of it, just slightly to give two different tones, as you can see. And just lightly blend it in, look. This works well for skin tones, and if you're also trying to get a smooth surface, it's quite a nice finish. This technique's called crosshatch, and it's good for building up texture. This technique's shading with the contour of what you're drawing. It's also good for showing movement. See how we start to build up an area using different directional lines. This is one of the most used techniques of shading, smudging or blending. Most people use a blending stick. Me, I'm making a mess with my finger. but it works the same. It's the principle. Gives you a really soft finish. This technique is probably one of my favourites, dot technique. It's very satisfying if you've got a long time to burn. I like to use a pen when I'm doing dot technique, and obviously the more dots you put in one small area, the darker the area is going to be, and then spread your dots out evenly, thinner and less, to make it less of a shade. This last technique is just making circular motions, nice and soft. I'm not sure if this is actually a real technique or not, but I like to use it. You can also use different layers of different techniques on the same drawing, like crosshatch over something that's soft and then smudge it. And of course, using a rubber or an eraser as we call it, you can pick out highlights on what you've drawn and different areas that you've shaded to give other effects, which is quite nice. Good morning, how are you doing? Just dropped my daughter off at school. Let's get home. No. Let's go to the studio! If you find this video helpful today, please do smash the subscribe button. I'm looking forward to bringing loads more art to the channel now, so I'll see you in the next one. Oh, there's no bad art. If it comes from you, it's always good. And just to let you know, if you would like to help support my channel in any way, you can buy me a coffee by hitting the link below in the descriptions. Click on it and it'll help me grow. Thanks a lot. See you all on the next one. Ba-bow, bow, boom, boom, boom. Ba-bow, bow, boom, boom. Shut up, John.